hours and hours and hours of fun and entertainment.
But it gets away. The minute she tries to grab it with the mouth, she lets go. Whammo, it's gone.
Our Greta Garbo of the cat world. Noelle, our black beauty, cannot be bothered with this silliness.
The trick to it is you gotta use both paws. See? You hear me?
Or walk up to it and just bite it.
Just bite the whole thing.
Bite the whole thing, you know?
That's how you do it.
Block it.
You do it. That's how you win.